the summer is back again. Well, how do you plan to keep your home cool this year? Today, most of the modern families enjoy the benefits of air conditioning systems in their home. Of course, it helps to maintain a decent temperature in extreme weathers. But, did you know that your air conditioners can also spread airborne viruses, bacteria, mold, and allergies? And it can lead to serious health issues like corona or many other diseases. So, is there any solution? Yes. AireCleanUV, our innovation, Germicidal ultraviolet LED light system. AireCleanUV UV lights are used medically in hospitals and laboratories from last 100 years to disinfect the air. Similar technology is also used for food industry, where meat or other packaged food is exposed to UV lights before packaging. AireCleanUV can be easily installed inside your air conditioner split unit by any technician. It protects you and your family against virus threats like COVID-19. Indoor air quality is one of the top 5 health risks worldwide today. Gift your family the protection from viruses and breathe fresh air with AireCleanUV Germicidal UV light system. Call us on 7558597666 to know more or visit www.airecleanuv.com. AireCleanUV, an advanced and medically proven air purification system.